That's hardware, not a tool.
That's my brain and my brain. That's all.
Carly wants to know if you're using the level.
No level.
No level, but she has
She's
it.
eyeballing it. Lindsay, I'm gonna give Mom a present.
What is it?
Is it her birthday?
No.
No. What is it?
What's her birthday?
It's a bib. No! No! Who's pregnant? No!
Yeah.
You too, Jackson! Oh, goody! Woo! Thanks, you guys.